Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We've had some great questions lately. We've been running a series on Divi 5, the great theme we've got going on here, and we've added a mega menu to our main menu here that's pretty big and scrollable, as you can see here. And if I roll down to the footer, we've got our pop-up contact form down in the footer there. And these are perfect, they work absolutely wonderfully. But there's one problem people have been having, and that's when they go to their builder, our little pop-ups and drop-downs have been covering up everything they want to build. For instance, if I edit this page with Divi, once we're in there, we've got our mega menu. It's covering all this real estate here. And we've got our pop-up contact form that's covering all this real estate here. We can't actually get to the design that we've got in the background there to build the page content. Valid point. Now, for anybody that doesn't know what's going on, I've got a custom header here that we've built in the Divi Theme Builder. So if you go to your dashboard, down a Divi and Theme Builder, we've got a global footer and a global header that we've customized to have these drop downs. And this is what's causing us this problem in the builder. Very easy solution. Once in the builder, all you need to do to fix this is go over to your tools on the left hand side here. This can be short and sweet video. Builder settings, a little wrench and screwdriver icon. Click on it, roll down a little bit. Once you roll down, there's all kind of interesting and useful things there. Have a look. But you're going to find one that says show theme builder layouts. If I just uncheck this, you'll see that we've got our page builder layout. And we've got no header or footer in there to interfere with our build right there. And of course, once you're done, if you need to, you can pop that back on and you can edit your header and footer from here. So there it is. Once again, that's down to your builder, into your builder settings. Once in the builder settings, roll down. It's right near the bottom, show theme builder layouts. With me, because I do drop downs and mega menus and things like that, I tend to leave this one off, but that's entirely up to you. But for those people that have been having that problem, there's the fix. Once it's off, you can edit your page with no interference at all from your header and footer bars. Obviously, once you've done this, save your changes. Now, if you find you turn it on and they don't appear, mine have appeared straight away, just save and refresh the page and they will do. So there we have it, guys. There's how to stop your drop downs and pop-ups from interfering with your page builds with Divi 5 here. Really easy to do, as you can see. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a little demo video just like this one. So once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.